G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Dominos to try their new Greek Lamb Tzatziki Pizza. Now I know I'm a little bit late to the party, it's been out for a little while, but how about we just whip in, grab one, suss it out, and just see how good or bad it is. Let's go! Alright, here we go. The new Greek Lamb Tzatziki Pizza from Dominos. $15 they want for this. Woo. And there's no deals on this pizza either. You know I hate paying full price for anything. But anyway, $15. It hasn't got a lot of weight about it. Let's see how much it does weigh. Alright, well you're looking at about 550 grams. Now the box is usually about 120, so that leaves about 430-ish grams. Well, that's sort of like a good-sized hamburger weight. Anyway, let's suss it out. Oh, can't wait to see what one looks like. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Bam! Whoa! Yeah, okay. Well, that's looking all right, I suppose. Now, let's see how big this is. Right. Well, you're looking at about 9.5, 10 inches. 10 inches? Is that all? I've had bigger. Anyway, the Greek Lamb Tzatziki is Aussie slow-cooked lamb, feta, spinach, tomato, onion and olives on a creme fraiche base, sprinkled with oregano and drizzled with tzatziki sauce. It's not looking too bad. There's lots of olives on there. I'm guessing that's the... Well, where's the... Oh, here's some lamb there. It's just looking... a bit of a mess, doesn't it? Looks like someone got really excited when they made this pizza. Anyway, let's see if there's any stretch from cheese. Is there any cheese on this thing? I don't think there's going to be too much stretch because, well, it was about 5 minutes since I bought it. But, well, it's looking all right, I suppose. Now I am trying to find on here where some lamb is. I think this might be some. Oh, wow. Oh, that lamb is really good. Tastes exactly like lamb should. Beautiful flavour. Well, those olives are pretty good too. Anyway, let's dive on in. Have a piece of this. Maybe a piece that half of it didn't just fall off. Ah. Yeah. That creme fraiche base is nice. Really creme and really fresh. Not getting a lot of the lamb on these pizzas. Crust was good. Let's try this piece. That looks all right. I think I might have got an accidental piece of anchovy on that one. Not sure if it went very well with the lamb. Yeah, it's not bad. It's got lots of this tzatziki sauce. It tastes like a tzatziki. very yogurty flavoured with a little bit more acidicness to it, maybe. Yeah, it tastes alright. Nothing to write home about though. I mean, the flavours are pretty good. The lamb's alright if you ever get a mouthful of it. It does get a little bit overpowered with that tzatziki though. Well, there's not really a lot of meat on it. And, well, for $15 I probably would have liked it a little bit more. So I wonder what score I'm going to give it. Out of 10! Well, value-wise, $15 for this. Man, it does seem like a lot of money for something that doesn't really have a lot of ingredients. And, well, considering it's supposed to be like the lamb, and the lamb does taste good, there's not a lot of lamb on it. But flavour-wise, I mean, the flavours are adequate. It's not outstanding. There's a lot of that sauce on there, which seemed to overpower everything. And, well, like I said, the lamb, well, what lamb? There's hardly any on there. It's pretty alright tasting. And if you ever do get a piece of that lamb, mate, that lamb is really nice tasting. It's quite a nice feed, but it's not awesome. And, well, $15, jeez. I would have hoped it would be like the $10 mark. 15 seems a little bit high. But for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Greek Lamb Tzatziki Pizza from Dominos, I think this deserves a 6.8 out of 10. The price of it just seems a little bit too high, and, well, there's hardly any meat on it, and I wanted a lamb pizza. But the amount of lamb on there, well, there's like sweet 2/5 of F all. They could have done a lot better. You're lucky you're getting a 6.8. But it does taste alright, and, well, there is a lot of sauce on it, and the creme fraiche base is pretty good. But, mate, have you tried it yet? Are you gonna try it? My suggestion would be, well, they've also got the lamb meat lovers. That one might be even better. I might even have to try that one. But this one with the tzatziki sauce, mate, it's alright. It's not one I'm going to be coming back for again, I don't think. Unless I really crave it, which is quite a possibility at some stage. I might. Well, it's a beautiful, warm, hot, sunny day. I think I might head down the beach there and go for a swim. It looks amazing. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat at Domino's. See you soon.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's